This, the elevator here, the Red Tree Inn in Myrtle Beach. Got ourselves an oldie here. This. Looks like we got ourselves an old Dover, would be my guess. Yep, that's what we have. 5. Five. Sure to interlock. Ooh, wow, look at this call button. Look at that. That is cool. I love the red cab. Let's go to 1. Here's your indicator, and there's your fixtures. Dover traditional. I'm guessing this is older, but they probably replaced the actual buttons themselves with the newer version of traditional, but I think they left the actual COP original here on 1. Another view of this cab. All right. You will head back up to 5. And I guess we can get a view out. I love that call button. Here's our hallway. I'm gonna call it before, well, let's get a view over the door. Did it leave? I take it did. And 1. PTL Fire Service. Going up? What
Yeah.
floor?
Number 4. What are you doing?
Just doing a video of this elevator here. It's vintage.
You stay here?
No, I'm not. Just go around riding elevators at like the different hotels and stuff. It's just a hobby of mine. Have a nice day, sir. Okay, staying. He's a guest. Oh, 5. Let's go to 4. Want to see an intermediate call station. Yeah, that's your non-ADA phone. love those call stations. Yep, same as the fourth. First floor is the newer kind. Got PTL Centurion Fire Service controls and door close button. Ooh, this little creepy. It's cool. And we will go down to one and under there. Watch one go out. Watch. And we'll listen and see if we can hear the motor down here. See, there's your newer traditional call station. Alright, let's listen. Here it goes. Listen.
Excuse me,
Yeah?
what are you doing?
I'm just